Alright, so Kaden's asking, how do you dribble less stiff? And I guess he's talking something like this. And if you look like that, it can kind of feel like,
you gotta be kidding me!
It's all good, bro. Let me tell you how to dribble a little more like this. Everybody wants to do this, break some ankles and send people flying. A lot of people, when they are learning to dribble, they're looking at the ball. And there are times where you do need to look at the ball when you're handling it, like if you're losing it or something, but you should be comfortable with where you're sending the ball with your hands. You should be able to close your eyes and dribble straight in front of you without moving. Dribbling's about rhythm and feeling the ball. You don't want to look at the ball. Until you can do really effective dribble moves, you have to know and get accustomed to where you're sending the ball compared to where your body's moving. All this stuff you're seeing me do, I can do it because I've developed so much of a feel. I don't have to. If you're in total control of where the ball's going and you know where that ball's going, you have the muscle memory to kind of remember where the ball's landing based on how much energy you're putting into it. That's an over explanation, but if you're trying to dribble less like Stanley Stiff over here, all you can do is develop your muscle memory. You just have to dribble more. I think I was probably like 5 years old when I started dribbling the basketball, so I've been doing this for a long time. This is like 20 years of dribbling, so like don't feel bad about not looking like this instantly. It takes a lot of practice, bro, and I'm not even that good. So just dribble with the intention of feeling the ball rather than looking at the ball. And for me, if I look at the ball, it's almost always with my peripheral. That way you can look at your defender but also sort of see the ball, but you don't want to telegraph your moves. The defense is going to see you looking at the ball and they're going to attack you. So if you're looking elsewhere, they have to face you up and you have more control. So I hope that helps, dude. Thanks for the question, Kaden. Keep hooping, y'all.